Hey guys, hello everyone. Welcome to today's session, guys. And as you all know, this is your sprint tech series for grade 10th. And today, this is your last session. And today, we'll be revising probability. All the important questions from the topic probability we'll be doing today. All right. So, if you know, we have completed all the sessions till now of your term 1, starting from number system. And we have completed all the sessions. Today is the last session. So in probability, an easy topic. I know all the students out there, they love this topic, probability. And so that's what we are going to do today. If you see from real numbers till the probability, all the topics we have covered over here, you can see the schedule over here, and it will be useful for you if you want to go through any topic anywhere when it was published. You can definitely check that out. Okay. Topic schedule for physics, chemistry, biology, SST, and English also will be over. आई थिंक एस एस टी इज ऑलरेडी ओवर बाय नाउ, है ना? ठीक है, चलो। तो गाइस, दिस इज आवर टॉपिक फॉर प्रोबेबिलिटी, एंड बिफोर वी मूव अहेड, please don't forget to like this video. Before we move ahead, share it with your friends and subscribe if you are new here, because first thing, you're going to love this session, and every day we are coming up with new sessions. All right, so this was your homework question which I gave you in the previous class, right? So what this question says, guys, this question says, in the given figure, AB and CD are diameters. AB and CD are the diameters. That means O is the center of the circle, and OD is the diameter of each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle, 7 by 2 na? OD is the diameter for this one. All right. If OA is 7, so if OA is radius, OA is 7, OB will also be 7, OC will also be 7, OD will also be 7. And this is the radius for the smaller circle, 7 by 2 centimeter, which is written over here. This is the radius for the smaller circle, right? What is the area of the shaded region? So guys, I can say, sir, the required area over here will be nothing but area of small circle, yes or no? The area of the small circle plus area of the semicircle ABC, area of semicircle ABC minus area of triangle ABC. Because if I will do this from the area of the semicircle ABC, if I subtract this area of this triangle, I will get my required segments, whatever area is required there. Okay, so that is an easier way of solving it. So area of this smaller circle, as we know, since the diameter, OD is 7, OD is 7, so the radius will be 7 by 2 only. So I can say area of the smaller circle will be pi, or we can directly write now 22 by 7, hai na? It will be 22 by 7. It will be 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 pi r square plus area of semicircle ABC. Now for the semicircle ABC, I can say radius is 7. So pi r square by 2. So 1 by 2 into pi into radius is 7 over here, minus area of this triangle ABC. But if I have to find out the area of this triangle ABC, देखो बच्चों, first thing, if you'll see, this is an angle at the semicircle. ABC is a triangle, angle is at the, this is a triangle in the semicircle, and angle at the semicircle is always 90 degree. So since it is a right angle triangle, I can say its area can be written, area of this triangle can be written as half into, keep AC as the base and BC will be your height. ठीक है, keep AC as the base, BC will be your height. But I think again, to get the value of AC and BC will be difficult, है ना? Not difficult, but you can get it. But देखो, easier way, let's do it in more easier manner, more easy manner. ठीक है. What I can do over here is, guys, listen carefully. I can say both these triangles are going to be congruent. I can say in a triangle BOC and triangle AOC, देखना ध्यान से. First thing, guys, I can say that OB and AO both are equal. OB and AO both are equal is, अरे चलो, that's what I was thinking, yeah. That how will I prove it? There is no other information given. ठीक है, not is not required at all. Directly it is given. Beta. The diameters of circle perpendicular to each other. So it is given this angle is 9 degree. Chalo bhai, no need to do anything. No need to do anything. Already given the diagonals are, the diameters are perpendicular. So if I take AB as my base, then height will be OC, right? So I can say now that area of this triangle will be half into AB is how much? 14, and OC is 7. Khatam baat, right? Let's simplify this. So if I will simplify, they go 7 to 7 got cancelled. To 11 times 11 into 7, 77 by 2. 77 by 2 plus this is 11 times, this is 7 times, 7 to 7 got cancelled, 11 into 7 is 77 minus 2 sevens are 49. ठीक है, all right. So 77 by 2 will be equal to 2 3s are 6, remainder 1, 2 8s are 38.5 plus 77 minus 49. So 17 minus 9 will be equal to 8, 6 minus 4 will be equal to 2. So if you'll add 0.5 over here, 8 to the 16 power 1, 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 66.5 centimeter square. This will be your required area, 66.5 centimeter square. ठीक है बच्चों? So main point over here was area of the small circle, and for देखो either you can do area of two segments है ना, or directly area of the semicircle ABC है ना minus the area of triangle ABC. Simple. The diameters are given perpendicular. Easily we can find out the answer. ठीक है? Clear है बच्चों? All right. चलो, let's move ahead. Next question. Before we move ahead, guys, before we go for the next question, continuous improvement is better than delayed perfection. That's a very good saying. देखो, it like there is never a perfect time to do anything. है ना? Like anytime you want to do something, that is the best time to do it, है ना? Don't wait for this, or don't wait कि अरे यार I'm not perfect yet, when I'll be perfect I'll do this. It doesn't matter, guys. Every day small little improvement, right? Like this is what is required. Remember always these ladders, every day a small improvement. You never jump from here to here, don't do that. Every day small little improvement. Okay, that's what is required. Okay, now we'll be starting with the question. Let's see the first question. The probability that a number selected at random from the numbers 1 to 15 is a multiple of 4. So out of 1 to 15, if I want to select a number which should be a multiple of 4, so I can say number of total outcomes. Total outcomes beta. Total outcomes I can say, so there are 15 numbers, I can choose any one of them. 15 outcomes are total outcomes. Then how many are multiple of 4? So I will say favorable outcomes. Favorable outcomes to the event will be, sir, I will say देखो 4 is a multiple of 4, 8 and 12. 3 favorable outcomes. So I can say probability for this event will be favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes, which is 1 by 5. Option D will be your correct answer. ठीक है बच्चों, 1 by 5 option D is your correct answer. Done. ठीक है, next one. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. Now before I move ahead, I forgot to tell, every time I'm telling you at the first question, that the best way to watch these videos will be what beta? Pause the video when you see the question, solve the question on your own, and then see whether your solution is correct or not, and then give yourself marks that out of 10 questions how many you solved correct. If you have marked the correct answer, give yourself 1 mark. If you have not marked the correct answer, give yourself 0, and see out of 10 how many are scoring. So this will be like an instant check, like how good are you with the particular chapter. Okay, so let's do this question. Pause this, solve this first, and then see the solution. Okay, so two dice are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting the sum of two numbers more than 9? Please read this carefully. Sum of two numbers more than 9. It is not more than or equal to, greater than or equal to 9. So 9 will not be allowed. So we know that if the sum has to be more than 9, when we throw two dice, total possible outcomes are 36. Total possible outcomes are 36 possible outcomes. Now let's see the favorable outcomes, guys. So favorable outcomes में देखो sum should be greater than or more than 9. So more than 9, when the sum is 10, the sum will be 10 in 6, 4, 5, 5 and 4, 6. When the sum will be 11, sum will be 11 in 6, 5. and 5 comma 6, and when the sum will be 12, sum will be 12 in 6 comma 6. The sum cannot be more than 12. So total how many cases we have, guys? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. 6 favorable outcomes. So the probability will be 6 upon 36, which is equal to 1 upon 6. Option B will be your correct answer. Now one important thing over here, guys. The important thing is, you might not remember these cases like this. So remember the table we have made: 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 1 6. Then 1 1 1 2, then 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, and so on. So there are those 36 possible outcomes. Out of those, 6 outcomes are there in which the sum is greater than 10. Okay, and remember, sum remains diagonally, the sum is constant. Okay, so option B will be your correct answer. All right. Okay, next one. If a card is selected from a deck of 52 cards, all of us know, then the probability of its being a red face card. Okay, so we want a red card as well as face card. So guys, in every suit, there are how many face cards? 3 face cards. है ना? 3 face cards in each suit. There are 3 face cards in what do we call that? Spades. Three face cards in clubs, 3 face cards in heart, 3 face cards in diamond. So total how many? 12 face cards we have. Now if we want a red face card, I will say we'll only take the diamond one and the hearts one. So diamond mein there are 3 face cards, hearts mein also there are 3 face cards. So I can say total 6 red face cards. So probability will be total 6 red face cards out of 52 cards. Cancel it with 2, 3 upon 26. Cannot simplify further. Option A will be your correct answer. Clear? So king of diamond, queen of diamond, and jack of diamond, and king of hearts, queen of hearts, red, jack of hearts. 6 cards are there which are red as well as face card. So that cards, what are the different types of cards? That is very important, guys. Please go through the prodigy session videos. There I have taught in detail what are the cards, how the cards work, their structure, everything. Okay, chalo, next one. A ball contains 3 red and 5 black balls. The ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the drawn ball is not red? Please read this carefully. Many times in hurry, you'll read the ball is red and you get the wrong answer. They are asking clearly probability of not red. So probability of not getting a red ball will be 1 minus probability of getting a red ball, which is 1 minus probability of getting a red ball. 3 red balls out of 3 plus 5, total 8 balls. So take LCM, 5 by 8 will be your answer. Option B. The option D is also given. If you don't read this not, you'll get D as your answer because you thought probability of drawing a red ball. So please read the question carefully. Probability mein the most important thing is reading the question carefully. Okay? Next one, a game consists of tossing a coin 3 times and noting the outcome each time. If getting the same result in all the tosses is a success, that means getting only head or getting only tail. If that is a success, what is the probability of losing the game? So they go 3 coin ka outcomes. How do we draw it? The first thing we know, 2 coins outcomes. Both are head, one head, first one head, second one tail, first one head, and both are tail. Sorry, both are tail. Okay? These are the 2 coin outcomes in 2 coins. Now when you have one more extra coin, let's say when these 2 coins are getting all their outcomes, let's say the third coin is getting only head, and again with all these outcomes of 2 coins, third coin is getting only tail. So we have got total 8 possible outcomes. Okay? So guys, when we toss 3 coins, there are 8 possible outcomes. Now in which the success is getting the same result. So either this is a success or success. Okay? Success and success. So the remaining 6 cases are like losing the game. So probability of losing, either you can do 1 minus probability of winning or directly 6 cases are of losing, 6 by 8. which is 3 by 4, option D. ठीक है, option D will be your correct answer. All right guys, now before I move ahead guys, if you are facing any of the issues, say your doubts are not clear, conceptual clarity is not there, you need say more questions and assignment for practice, syllabus is lagging, any problem out of these or all of these problems you are facing guys, Vedantu is the one stop solution for all these problems. Let me tell you first thing, all your doubts will be resolved in the class with the help of class teachers. They'll make sure each and every doubt of yours is resolved. And also, if you have Pro Classic or Pro Plus, even after the class, you can get your doubts resolved with the help of doubt solving app. Right. Also, all the concepts will be taught in detail with the help of your amazing master teachers. Questions and assignments will be provided to you. Extra questions, extra assignments. So first thing your saving you'll do in this way, that you don't have to go and buy thousands of books and a different book. One student is saying, "Arey, this book is good, so you'll get that book. Arey, no, that book is good, you'll get that book also." Don't need to do that. All the best questions, all the good questions, will get it all to you in the form of assignments, in the form of solving questions, in the form of test. Everything will give. All right. Also, your syllabus will be completed in time. Will give you an advanced schedule which will follow to complete your syllabus. You'll know when your syllabus will be over. Along with revision, we'll also do the revision as well. ठीक है बच्चों, so it's not only like we are completing your syllabus only once, we'll be doing the revision, and also when you get access to thousands of micro courses, with that also you can do the revision as many times as you want until you understand the chapter. All right, and any language you prefer, be it Hindi, be it English, we are there. You prefer Hindi, go for Hindi batches. You prefer English, you can go for English batches as well. All right, so that's a really good course. Unlimited classes, you get handwritten notes. All right, class doubt solving facility you'll be getting, mock test you'll be getting, micro courses, so all in one feature course. And right now the best course right now you can register for is the CBSE Term 1 crash course. The link for registration is mentioned in the description box of this video as well in the pinned comment, and the coupon code is GPE Pro. This coupon code will get you 10% off. ठीक है, this coupon code will get you 10% off. All right, ठीक है. So let me show you how you can go and get the benefit of this. Easy है. Just go to the description box of this video. In the description box of this video guys, here you can see avail all exciting Vedantu courses. Click on the first one. This is the CBSE grade 10 term 1 crash course. There are other courses for term 1 as well. You can directly see over here. Term 1, term 2, the long term course. ICSE Maharashtra Foundation course, NTSE. Other than that, there is one IOQM booster crash course also there for those who are Olympiad enthusiasts. Right? So term 1 crash course right now is the most best course right now for all the term 1 students who are appearing for term 1 right now. You can see Pro Light and Pro Classic. After applying GPE Pro over here is available to you. Pro Light as 2700, Pro Classic at 3150. Pro Classic some extra amount because you'll be getting doubt solving, unlimited doubt solving you'll be getting in the form of Vedantu's doubt solving app. ठीक है बच्चों. All right, so very good course. Any other course if you want to go for, click on change. Whatever course say you want to go for, IOQM booster crash course, here you'll be getting IOQM booster crash course. ठीक है, and you'll be registering over here. This is the package over here. ठीक है, so any course you want you can definitely go for that. Okay, ठीक है, let's move ahead. Next question guys. A letter is chosen at random from the letters of the word assassination. Then the probability that the letter chosen is a vowel in the form of 6 upon 2x plus 1. Then x is equal to what? So देखो, in this word assassination, how many letters are there? How many letters? So total number of letters beta, how many we have? Total number of letters we have over here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 letters, out of which let's see how many are vowels. How many vowels? 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 vowels, 7 consonants. So they are saying probability of choosing a vowel. Probability of choosing a vowel is given to us in the form of 6 by 2x plus 1. And we know from here probability of choosing a vowel will be 6 upon 13 is equal to 6 upon 2x plus 1. 6 to 6 got cancelled. Reciprocate, you'll get 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. Option B will be your करेक्ट आंसर। ठीक है, x equal to 6, easy question. Let's move ahead. Next one, assertion and reason. What it is saying? Assertion: if a die is thrown, the probability of getting a number less than 3 and greater than 2 is 0. ठीक है, तो देखो, when you throw a die, there are 6 numbers over there, 1 2 3 4 5 6, है ना? So when you throw a die, they are saying probability of getting a number which is less than 3. ठीक है, less than 3 you want, so you don't want 3, less than 3, so 1 or 2, and greater than 2. So greater than 2 में you cannot take 2, you have to take more than 2. तो देखो, less than 3, greater than 2, there are many numbers, 2.1 2.2 2.3 and so on, but they are not present on the dice. So I will say there is no such number on the dice. Number of favorable outcome is 0. In this case, number of favorable outcomes is 0. So probability for this event will be 0 upon nothing. Yeah, देखो, if number of favorable outcome is 0, 0 upon anything is equal to 0 only. Right? There are 6 possible outcomes. Again, 0 by 6 is equal to 0. ठीक है? So it is 0. Assertion is true. Probability of an impossible event is 0. That is also true, and it is a correct explanation. Why? Because guys, देखो, we know since this cannot happen, it is an impossible event, and probability of an impossible event is 0. Direct, right? So I say, sir, it is the correct explanation, है ना? ठीक है? Next one, assertion: card numbered as 1 2 3 4 up to 15 are put in a box, mixed thoroughly. One card is then drawn at random. Probability of drawing an even number is 1 by 2. ठीक है? Reason for any event E, we have probability of an event from 0 to 1. हाँ, that is true. Let's look at assertion. अब देखो, many students what they think कि assertion is also correct but not the correct explanation, they will mark B. But remember, assertion is not correct. If we look at favorable outcomes, देखो, total outcomes in the assertion there are 15, but favorable outcomes, if we'll see, we want a even number. ठीक है, even number. So even number is 2 4 6 8 10 12 and 14, up to 15 only na. So even number, how many we have? We have total 7 even numbers. So probability of getting an even number is 7 upon 15, which is not equal to 1 by 2. Assertion is false. So option D will be your correct answer. Assertion is false, reason is true. Many students what they'll do कि हाँ यार, even half, odd half, 1 by 2, but remember it is ending at odd. It is starting at odd, ending at odd. So number of even numbers is 1 less. There are 7 even, 8 odd. ठीक है? All right, easy peasy. Let's move ahead. Next question. हाँ जी. Now let's take a case study based question. A box consists of 100 shirts, of which 88 are good, 8 have minor defects, 4 have major defects. Ramesh, a shopkeeper, will buy only those shirts which are good, but Keval, another shopkeeper, will not buy shirts with major defects. ठीक है? तो understand the condition. Ramesh will buy shirts which are good, only good shirts. ठीक है? Ramesh is okay with good. Minor defects he will not take. Major defects he will not take. But the other shopkeeper Keval, he is okay with good shirts. He is even okay with minor shirts also, but major shirts he will not take. That's what it is saying, na? Keval, another shopkeeper, will not buy shirts with major defect. That means he'll buy shirts with minor, he'll buy good shirts. ठीक है? So there are 100 shirts, out of which 88 are good. 88 are good, 8 have minor defects, and 4 have major defects. So let's see what the question is. First one, probability that Ramesh will buy the selected shirt. So Ramesh के लिए देखो, probability that Ramesh will buy the selected shirt. We know there are total 100 possible outcomes. He can choose any out of those 100 shirts. He can choose any one. But he will, since only buy good shirts are 88. So if we'll simplify, divide it with 4, we'll get 22 by 25. So correct answer will be option B. Option B. I think next one will be for Keval. So for Keval, probability that the Keval will buy that shirt. So देखो, Keval will buy good shirts. He will even buy the shirts with minor defects. There are 8 shirts with minor defects. ठीक है? So plus 8 divided by 100, you'll be getting 96 upon 100, which is equal to what? 24 by 25. Option C will be your correct answer. ठीक है बच्चों, ऑप्शन सी will be your correct answer. With this we have finished this session as well. Now this is a homework question. See what it is saying. Cards numbered 2 to 101 are placed in a box. The card is selected at random from the box. What is the probability that the selected card has a number which is a perfect square? It's an easy question. Definitely you can solve this. ठीक है, so let me know the answer for this question in the comment sections down below. Alright guys, so this is all in today's class, and with this we have finished this series as well. Also guys, you can definitely register for Vedantu's Pro subscription. GPE Pro is the code to get 10% off. Term 1 crash course is the course which is a really good course, available just at rupees 2700 for Pro Lite after applying GPE Pro. And in that we'll be completing all the syllabus, all the subject syllabus, maths, physics, chemistry, biology, SST, English, that too with your favorite master teachers. ठीक है, so definitely join it. Definitely going to be a score booster course for you all. Alright बच्चों, so this is all from my side in today's class. Thank you so much for joining the session, and thank you so much for loving this series. I'll see you all in the next session. Alright, till then please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara. Khuda Hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.